Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today it is a sunny day, so I want to film a new video for you just to show you how I curl my hair. Like you see, I have another look. It isn't my usual curls that I made with my headband, my heatless curls. So I want to show you what product I use when I decided to style my hair with the flat iron. So I will show you in this video three products that I am using for my hair, and I'm so pleased with them. So if you are interested, please continue to watch my video to see what product I use. First of all, I just wash my hair like usual. I use my purple shampoo and purple mask. So after, I just use this mousse by Munir just to enhance my shiny hair, and after I always use the thermal spray if I am about to curl my hair or to use heat on my hair. So this has a low hold that I'm so pleased, because I don't want to use hairspray because it is make my hair so sticky, and I want to feel fresh and nice and bouncy, and just easy just to take my finger with through my hair. So this product is very good. I just use from time to time when I curl my hair. After I just curl my hair like you see in this video, I apply some drops of this Olaplex oil. Be very careful guys, because you only use a few drops. It is a lightweight oil, but you don't want to waste your product. It is very good even you use a tiny bit. So I like just on my mid ends to apply some oil, just to have more shine, and to make my hair a lot healthier with this Olaplex after I use heat on my hair. So this is the final look. I like it so much how it turns, but it is also damaging to my hair, so I didn't curl my hair so often with this hot tool. I prefer the headband. Final step is to use Olaplex just on my ends, just to give a little bit of shine. Rubbing very well in my hand, and just touch my my ends. I don't want to use a lot because it will lose my curl, but I still want this shine. I love how my hair looks, but I talked to my hairdresser, and now that I have edgy blonde tone, she recommended me just not to use so often heat. I just use once, but I don't want to ruin my color, so I will stick to my headband, or maybe put my hair on a bun, something like this, or just leave it straight, because I don't want to ruin this nice color. I'm so pleased with my color that I don't want to ruin anyway. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.